Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick unwrapping and review of this. This is the BARTON silicone quick release watch bands. You can get it on Amazon for $13.35, and you can get it with the Prime free 2-day or free next day shipping, 1-day shipping for all Prime orders over $35. It's a replacement to this right here, these Asus ZenWatch 2 silicone bands. So long story short, I've had this watch for about 8 months now, and number one, the first problem that happened is this the holder right here for the bands. The original one that came with the Asus watch snapped while I was working out, so I had to replace it with an extra one that I had from one of my other watches. And then now, number two, I've been rocking this out for the past 2 days because this thing, after 4th of July, it said it was a 1-day free shipping with $35 and over. But for some reason, this is like the third time, Amazon, that you guys were supposed to deliver it the same day, and I didn't get it until like a day or two later. But thanks, with the help of one of the representatives, Amber, I'd like to give her a big shout out, who helped out with my issue and has been very helpful. Amazon always has good customer service, so I thank Amber a lot for helping me out with my issue with the order, and it finally came in today. So like I said, the BARTON is a replacement for Asus ZenWatch's silicone bands, and it's a quick release. Now, a lot of people and a lot of my friends were saying, well, why don't you just get like the other, bands that you get off of from other watches? But those are the ones that, like, you have to use the little tiny like screwdrivers and things like that. The beauty of these Asus ZenWatch, and the reason why I got it too, is because of this. It's got these quick release straps right here that you can take out, just like the Apple watches, and then replace it with another one. Asus, you guys have got to get your act together, because it's been like, I don't know, almost a year now since you guys had the Asus ZenWatch 2. And on Amazon, I still have not seen the other bands that come with your Asus Zen watches. Like the one in particular that I'm interested in is the stainless steel. I think it's a stainless steel silver watch band that you can use. It's more fancy looking, like kind of like this power band that I have right here. So you can wear it for like on a night out with like some fancy clothes. And they're supposed to have a gold one, and it didn't come out yet on Amazon or on their website. I haven't checked the website in about a month now on Asus ZenWatch 2 website. But I have not seen the other bands except for these silicone ones right here. So these BARTONs here are supposed to replace that. The BARTON replacement quick release watch bands, they come in 18 through 22 millimeter diameter or thickness watch size. So I got the 22 because from the reviews I read on Amazon, they're supposed to match this Asus ZenWatch 2, the bigger version. There's two versions of the Asus ZenWatch. The smaller one, which is I think 45, and this one is like the 63 millimeter or watch or whatever like that. So let's just unwrap this real quick and get this review going. See how easy these quick release watch straps are from BARTON. And so just a plain packaging, plastic packaging with BARTONs. Nothing fancy. I wish it would have had a better presentation, but I'm not going to knock Barton on that because the price is, you know, you're saving like $6 or more off of these original Asus ZenWatch bands, which, like I said, I've had the watch now for 8 months and it didn't even last that long. Or yeah, so this part right here is tearing up, so I had to do the Scotch tape thing to keep it from tearing up even more. So let me show you guys that real quick. Let me just take this Scotch tape out. And, well, look. You guys can see it right there, right? So that's where it was tearing up on. Now, these bands always tear up when I'm at the gym. For example, I have the original Samsung Galaxy Gear Watch somewhere around here. Let me go look for that. Okay, so this is the original Samsung Galaxy Gear Watch. See, you could tell it's the original because it has the watch right there on the wristband, or the camera on the wristband. And this thing snapped at the gym while working out. And the original holder for the bands, or I don't know what this is called. I'm gonna call it the holder. Snapped while I was working out. And this part right here probably broke too while I was working out. Yeah, this part right here, like I said, broke probably while I was working out. I don't remember if it did while I was working out. I usually take the watch off, this ZenWatch off, when I have to do like things like that'll, I know will put the bands in some kind of I don't know, like when I do deadlifts, I know the watch will rub against my thigh, so I'll take it off. If I do shrugs with heavy dumbbells, I'll take the watch off. If I do clean and jerks, I'll take the watch off. A lot of you are probably like, dude, why don't you just take the watch off, period, while you're working out? I wish I could, but I use the watch, and part of the reason why I got a smartwatch is so I can use it to track my steps and my activity. And if I take the watch off while I'm working out, then it's not tracking my steps or my activity. So that's why I keep the watch on even while I'm working out. Now, okay, so it came in this, So it came in this, you know, I was going to edit this thing, but I'm just going to leave it as is. I lost my train of thought. So the watch came in this plastic packaging that has Barton's watch bands. They make other watch bands, but the kind that I ordered were the ones like the Asus right here, see? So you got this quick release thing right here. The quick release knobs, I'm going to call them. So inside the packaging or in the plastic, you get quick release interchangeable watch bands from Barton, I guess. Are these instructions? It's not really an instructions, but I don't think you really need the instructions because they're pretty much self-explanatory, I guess. So let's put them on. So let's see, I'm assuming this is the top part of the quick release. So you guys are watching in real time how quickly and how easily it is for me to put these bands on, these replacement bands. And I'm trying to do it through the camera and it's pretty hard. Okie dokie. Let's see. I guess, is it in? Yep. Okay, so that's in. And put on the other one. Wow, this one's facing the other way though. Okay. Okay, so I wish this part right here, the quick release latch, would be on the inside like this one is right here. But it's facing on the outside. I don't know if there might be problems later on when I'm working out and I accidentally hit that quick release hatch or latch. So I think that's it. You know what? I think I put it on the wrong way. Yeah, I did. Alright. Let me do that again. This is good. This is good because you guys can see how simple or how difficult it is to do this, right? Okay. So let's do it again. There. Shoot. Okay, now I'm gonna look off camera because looking through the camera and doing this is kind of hard. Okay. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if my camera is showing it, but you have this BARTON logo, I guess, on the wristband right there. And so yeah, now that I put it on, I have it on, I guess, the proper way. Shoot. Shoot. Okay. Okay, so it's on. It is on. And that is it. And yeah, I think I still have it on the wrong way. Alright, I'm gonna pause this so this video don't take too long because I put it on the wrong way again. So these quick release latches will be facing on the inside just like on the Aces. Hold on a minute. Okay, we're back. So now we got them on properly. So the part where the these quick release latches are right here and here are going to be on the inside once you have them installed on properly. And the BARTON, if my camera will focus, the BARTON logo will also be on the inside. Okay, so the inside, let's say the inside portion of this, the band is rough. It feels rough. The silicone feels rough. It has like these little lines and grooves on it on the inside. On the outside, though, it's smooth. It's yeah, silky smooth. If you want to say it. Now, compared to the Asus, this is their brown, the default wrist straps that came with the ZenWatch 2. At least my model of the ZenWatch 2 are kind of have a, see that rough texture right there, and this is smooth. And it's the same way on both. Actually, on the other side, it's it has this line, these lines on the inside. So let's just put the watch on and see how it fits. I have like medium-sized wrists. So for you guys that have like 7-8 inch wrists like what I have, depending on competition, my wrist will get smaller. So yeah, that's it. Not bad at all. Pretty good. It feels comfortable. Maybe about the same, maybe a little bit more softer than the default Asus ZenWatch wristbands, watch bands. The thing is, we'll find out if that $13.35 for these Bartons is gonna hold up over time, or are they gonna be just as flimsy as the ZenWatch 2's watch bands were, at least for these silicone ones. So we will do a follow-up on that. So far so good. For the price, it's pretty good for right now. And you get, like I said, you can get them on Amazon, $13.35 with Prime free 2-day shipping or 1-day shipping for Prime orders over $35. So that's it. This is the Barton. These are the Barton's quick release watch bands. You have them in, there's like a black. I have the black ones right here. You got an orange, a gray, two gray colors, a cool gray and a smoky gray. You got a reddish or pinkish one, a green, a white, a turquoise, and a blue one. So those are all the colors. So go check them out on Amazon. I'll put a link down below on the description. And that's it. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a great day.